This video is an excerpt from the Jhana training manual. For more information, or to access the full manual, visit the website jhana.training. Benefits of the jhanas. Naturally, the most direct benefit is being in those profound states in meditation. In addition to that, the benefits experienced outside of the formal meditation are many. As the mind is serene and mindfulness pure, the working patterns of the mind are more visible. The jhanas are an ideal base for developing insight, vipassana, whether in or outside of formal meditation. Wisdom gained by seeing things as they really are is the primary purpose and potential benefit of samadhi from the Buddhist perspective. There is calmness of thoughts and more control over them. If you want to think about something, you can. If you don't want to think about it, you don't. You have a choice. There is no obsessive thinking, no restlessness, no uncontrollable inflow of thoughts. I see this as one of the top benefits. As the jhanas are primarily experienced in the head, a certain feel stays there beyond the meditation sessions. It's not easy to describe. To use a few words, I would say it feels very pleasantly light, soft, and smooth in the head, each jhana having its own distinctive flavor of it. I consider it one of the most tangible and rewarding effects of the training. Compared to the normal states of mind without jhana practice, the head is in constant comfortable bliss. The mind is composed, stable, and equanimous, far from stress, anxiety, and emotional instability. The body is relaxed, with less tension and pain. You can also sit longer in meditation as samadhi reduces pain perception. The mind is bright and fresh, and the body is energized. You hardly get drowsy. Falling asleep is blissful and easy, and you wake up into pleasantness, well rested and refreshed. Dreams are peaceful and more often recallable. There is no craving for sensual pleasures. You get plenty of well-being from the jhana bliss instead. Memory and concentration improve. One notable benefit of deep jhana practice I've experienced is that it completely silences tinnitus, a condition when you hear a sound, such as ringing or buzzing, without any external source. With deep samadhi, it's completely gone, even outside of the meditation sessions. You can enjoy both inner and outer silence. These benefits are only those directly experienceable. There are likely additional health benefits not noticeable right away, and I will leave that topic to the scientists. This was a brief excerpt from the Jhana training manual. To get the full manual, visit the website jhana.training.